like the 16 Max.
The iPhone 16e. Not bad. This don't look that bad. Let me see the camera quality. I want to know how it looks. It's kind of... I wonder if you can go to YouTube.
Okay, the 16 Plus is the one that's bigger.
Oh, no, I actually like the 16e.
How much you like the 16e?
I like the 16e. I'm planning to get one soon.
Yeah, games on it. They upgrade that like the phone. Like they
Let's see, camera. Oh, not bad.
They even only have one camera. That one has one camera on it.
This one has one camera.
Yeah, that one too. That was two, and the other was one.
Oh, not bad. The quality is not bad.
The quality?
Yeah, the camera quality. It's not bad. But how much does the zoom in video? Oh, I'm planning to. Yeah, I actually want this one better than the. I'm gonna get the 15, but I'm probably gonna get this once I get paid. Actually, that's a nice iPhone. I'm not gonna lie. I like the white one and the black one. I'm planning to get two of them actually. The iPhone 16e. It looks just like the iPhone SE, but
I
gotta see the picture quality. The picture quality is not that bad. Oh wow, yeah, this. Wow, iPhone 16e camera is not that bad, but I need to see something though. 90%.
Pero sale más que el coso de...
That's right. So how do show battery percentage? I like the iPhone 16e.